single one of you can start something, you could contact some faculty, you could have somebody else from outside also coming in. You can please take a look at the rules. Unfortunately, I think our website is not yet up. It will be up in any day now. And please take a look at the possibilities, and you can start a company here. And we will give you finance. In fact, that DIT of course is for electronics and IT related works, but MSME is for mechanical, civil, all brick and mortar kind of incubations also. So we would like to have all kinds of companies coming in here and not just software. And that is why we are also talking to Department of Science and Technology, where their incubation thing is broad based. It can be in any area of science or engineering. And right now we have space for 10 units. We have space for 10 units, and of course that entire technology complex is huge. We can expand as we go forward. We can add many more units, provided, of course, people like you come forward to take part in this. Of course, this meet is not only about our incubation center, it's about entrepreneurship per se. You could go somewhere else. You could go to IIT Bombay's incubation center, or to IIT Kanpur's, or to so many others as has been mentioned. There are a large number of such incubation centers all over the country also. You could go to them, or you could set up your own thing in some place, rent it out. You go to the city of Guwahati and set up something with some friends if you know them. Possibilities are many. So you have to, my only advice, because I'm a master only, I'm not a business person. All the speakers here will give you much more specific advice. But I think, you have to learn a little bit about finance, how to handle money. That part of it is something which we are not teaching you directly in our course curriculum, so you have to pick it up. And the other thing I would like to advise you is that no matter what you do, please keep one thing in mind, that honesty is the best policy. Because why am I talking about this? Because when we start talking about entrepreneurship, we start talking about money, there are issues of risks involved, and nobody wants to lose something. And many a times it is very easy to take shortcuts, either to make more money or shortcuts to avoid losing money. But if you do that, if you violate rules, regulations, there are even bigger risks first of all, and you won't have peace of mind. The country's economy works where freedom is given to people to set up their own units, to innovate, to produce, to make money, but honestly, to make money according to the rules and regulations. If rules and regulations are not there, if we don't pay our taxes, for example, then there will be chaos in society. The infrastructure like roads, airports, how will they come up? So please keep this in mind as you grow older also, that the old cliche that honesty is the best policy, and it's very, very important, especially if you venture into this kind of area. Once again, I'd like to welcome all the speakers who have come, and I'd like to also congratulate the team here who have organized this, and I hope this meet is a big success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those beautiful and inspiring words. We will be starting with our first lecture in a little while. In the meantime, all of our visitors can avail of the tea and snacks outside by producing their ID cards. Thank you.